topic called bending of colors. Have you ever looked at the rainbow after the rain and wondered how those beautiful colors appear in the sky? Or noticed how a spoon inside a glass of water suddenly looks bent? Well, those things happen because light can actually bend. Today, we will discover the science behind the bending of colors, also known as refraction and dispersion. By the end of this video, you will understand how rainbows form, why colors separate, and how physics explains the amazing colors we see around us every day. So grab your curiosity and let us explore the colorful world of light. Before we understand why colors bend, we first need to understand light. White light, like sunlight, may look plain but actually contains many colors mixed together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, the colors we see in a rainbow. Each color travels as a different wavelength of light. Quick question. Which color do you think bends the most? Red or violet? Okay, keep your answer in mind. We will reveal it later. The bending of colors happens because of the process called refraction. What is refraction? Refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one material to another because its speed changes. When light travels from one material to another, like from air into glass or water, its speed changes. And when speed changes, light bends. Different colors bend at different angles because each color has a different wavelength. Violet bends more because it slows down more inside the glass. Red bends less because it keeps more of its speed. So if you guessed violet earlier, you were right. Let's go to the examples of refraction. Example number 1. Spoon in a glass of water. When a spoon is placed inside a glass of water, it appears bent or broken at the surface of the water. This happens because light travels at different speeds in water and air. As light moves from water to air, it bends before reaching our eyes, making the spoon look distorted. Example number 2. Swimming pool. The bottom of the swimming pool often appears closer and shallower than it really is. This happens because light rays from the bottom of the pool bend as they move from water into the air. Our brain assumes light travels in a straight line, causing the pool to look less deep. Third example is eyeglasses. Eyeglasses use specially shaped lenses to bend light correctly into the eyes. For people who have blurry vision, the lenses reflect light so images become focused clearly on the retina, helping them see better. But something even more amazing happens after light bends. When white light passes through a prism, the colors don't stay, they spread apart into a rainbow of color. This process is called dispersion. Dispersion is the separation of white light into different colors because each color bends differently. White light may look plain or colorless, but it is actually made up of many colors combined together. When white light passes through a prism, each color bends at a different angle. Because of this difference in bending, the colors spread out and became visible as a spectrum. But why do the colors bend differently? It is because each color has a different wavelength. Red light has a longer wavelength, so it bends less. Violet light has a shorter wavelength, so it slows down more inside the prism and bends more. The difference causes the colors to spread apart. Let's go to the examples of dispersion. First example is rainbow. A rainbow forms when sunlight passes through tiny raindrops in the atmosphere. Inside each raindrop, light bends, separates into different colors, reflects inside the droplet, and bends again as it exits. Each color bends at a different angle. The colors spreads out and form a rainbow. Second example, diamonds. Diamonds sparkle with many colors because light entering the diamond is repeatedly bent and reflected inside the crystal. Different colors separate due to dispersion, producing colorful flashes of light. Third example is prism experiment. When white light passes through a prism, the prism bends each color differently. Violet bends the most while red bends the least. Because of this, the colors separate and form a visible spectrum called dispersion. So the next time you see a rainbow, a shiny diamond, or even a straw in water, remember, you are witnessing physics in action. Colors bend because light changes speed when moving through different materials, and each color behaves a little differently. Physics isn't just formulas in books. It is hidden in the beauty we see every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science explained in fun and simple ways.